So the first thing we're going to do is release our feet with no props. Okay. So you don't have balls, you don't have minis or anything to release your feet with. We're going to start with bare feet. And sit comfortably in a chair, or we're on the arcs. You can sit comfortably with one ankle crossed over the other knee. And we're going to start with the opposite hand to foot. First, you're going to interlace your fingers into your toes. And then the same side hand, take the thumb and place it behind that medial malleoli. Push down to elongate the inside of the heel. And then we're going to hold the ankle to keep it stable. And work with the foot, going into plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. And notice when you go into dorsiflexion, if your foot tends to invert, you want to try and straighten that out. Okay, so plantar flexion, dorsiflexion. And then we're going to do a little circle, 5 in each direction. And reverse. And now eversion. So you're going to pull that towards you and inversion. Inversion and eversion. 3 or 4 times. And then take that hand off. You're going to place it on top of the foot. The thumb goes underneath, just behind the metatarsals. And again, we're going to take that into eversion and inversion. Wind the foot. So the ankle isn't moving. It's just the forefoot is moving. Okay? And now we're going to take the first toe into extension and flexion. So we're stretching the toes, go down the line, do 2 on each toe, going into extension and flexion. little adjustments there. And now you're going to grab onto each toe and give it a pull. Out, 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 and out. And then holding on to the ankle with that same side hand, you're just going to give your foot a little shake. Shake it out. And lastly, you're going to take the knuckles of the opposite hand and you're going to run it under the foot, toward the toes. Run it. And you can focus more on the medial arch, work your way to the middle and to the lateral side. Okay? And you would do the same thing on the other side. So you can interlace the fingers